You know there's something wrong with your food. The people who produced it were driven from their land destroyed and deforested. Many of those who worked for your meal had to leave their houses and homelands in search of work. As migrant workers, they live in overcrowded and unsafe living conditions. Working for wages that are not enough to support their families.
I know that exploitation and environmental destruction are happening all along the supply chains that deliver our food to us. But I also know this. Together, as a movement, we can change the way our food is made. We demand that our European politicians pass a strong due diligence law that protects human rights in global food supply chains. Right now, this is the most important step to put an end to the injustices happening in our food system. And we demand more transparency about where and under which conditions our food was grown and produced. But to make these changes happen, you, me, and our generation have to join in the fight that farmers, workers, and activists all around the world are already fighting. We need your support. Join us now.